So it's wonderful. I love wearing many hats. I love doing things to help improve people's life and be involved with children. I mean, there's so many things that I do to give me joy and to help spread the joy that I experience in the world. And as a person who meditates, being present is what enables me to juggle. Not able to shift between one and the other, it becomes a challenging way of existence. But I find through the practice of training myself to be completely here at this moment, not worried about what's going to happen next, not worried about what happened 5 minutes ago, doesn't mean that those things are irrelevant, doesn't mean I can't plan. But at this moment, right here, right now, I am going to be completely present. When I do that, I'm able to gather what's necessary to be done right here, right now, in a way that is incredibly joy-giving for me, because I'm present and tapping into this source of knowledge that before meditating I had no idea existed. So juggling different hats that I wear in the community becomes almost effortless.